Hey, I'm Peach. I run web content for Ikelite, and if you've ever DM'd us on Instagram, you've probably talked with me. We get a ton of questions in our DMs every day, and today I want to run through our top 5 most asked questions. Okay, question number 1, what port do I need for my lens? We've had a lot of customers using AI to select their ports. We get it, it's convenient, but it's just not giving you accurate information. So my biggest recommendation is just reach out to us. Give us a call, shoot us an email to ikelite@ikelite.com. We're more than happy to help you walk through all the equipment you need to get great photos. And if you want to look yourself, go to the product page of your housing and there will be a port chart linked there, and you can find the correct extensions and ports for your specific lens. All right, question number 2, what bag should I use? We found that the Nanook 955 is the largest case we can get while staying within the weight limits, but if you're looking for something with a little bit more maneuverability, we suggest the Nanook 938. We always check our equipment, but if you're looking to go strictly carry-on, check out Ken Kiefer's video linked below. He shows you how to pack his entire R5 system in a carry-on bag. Okay, so question 3, the website won't let me check out with a non-US address. Our products are available worldwide, but we only ship within the US. So if you're located outside the US, we recommend using our store locator on our website, where you will find a local distributor closest to you that can help you with spare parts, servicing, ordering, all of that great stuff. If you don't find somebody close to you, please reach out to us at ikelite@ikelite.com so we can help you. Okay, question 4. Why are my photos all dark blue and a little bit out of focus? The first thing is you need to get close. The best advice I ever heard was get close and then get closer. You're gonna need to be at least within arm's reach of your subject to get a good shot. And try adding a strobe. Good lighting underwater is gonna add color and clarity back to your image, and it is hands down the best investment you can make for underwater photography. Last but not least, check out the photo advice section of our website. We have recommended camera settings for any situation you can find yourself in underwater. All right, so number 5, and probably our most asked question, how do I become an ambassador? My recommendation here is, of course, shoot with Ikelite equipment and submit your work to become a featured customer. It's a great way for us to get to know you. And some of our most popular ambassadors started out as featured customers. But if you want some more information about this, check out my other video, how to become an Ikelite ambassador. If I missed your burning question, drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys online.